everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share a few DIY and homemade remedies that are actually used by some of our leading Bollywood celebrities, and now we always wonder how do they have such great hair all the time. So I read up a few things and I made this video, so let's get started. So starting off with one of my favorite actresses, and she recently just got married also. So Deepika Padukone actually uses only cool water to rinse her hair off. She avoids using very hot water. Hot water actually dries your hair out, so if you're using cool water is always good. She also uses a homemade DIY oil for her scalp, which includes coconut oil, neem leaves and tulsi leaves, and she also makes sure that she massages the scalp really well. So for this you need a few neem leaves and a few tulsi leaves. You will also need pure hair oil. Mix both neem and tulsi leaves in a grinder and make it into a paste. So first you need to start off by using the oil. Take the oil and apply it to your scalp and hair and massage well. Once you are done applying the hair oil all over your scalp, take the paste and first apply it to your scalp. Just apply it to your scalp and also pull it through your hair. Apply the paste section by section all over your head. Once you're done applying both, just gently massage the scalp for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep this mixture for about 2 hours and then just shampoo your hair off normally. The next beauty is Katrina Kapoor. Now Katrina Kapoor actually leads a very healthy and disciplined life. She is very disciplined when it comes to her diet, her meals and her workouts. She tries to intake a lot of proteins. She has a lot of nuts like walnuts and almonds, which are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are very good for the health. She also has a lot of vegetables, a lot of fruit juices, which helps to detoxify and cleanse your body. When it comes to her hair, she likes to use a lot of deep conditioning masks. She uses a lot of fruit oils for her skin, and for her hair she uses a lot of deep conditioning masks, and her diet is so good, which is full of protein. It really takes care of her good skin and good hair. The third beauty is Alia Bhatt. Now Alia Bhatt loves to use this hair mask for her hair. This hair mask includes egg white and honey. Egg white is actually packed with protein and which is very good for our hair. It really strengthens your hair. Honey is actually very good in moisturizing it, so she strengthens it and she adds the hydration to her hair really well. She also uses a lot of oils for hot oil massages regularly whenever she can. The fourth one is Priyanka Chopra. Now Priyanka Chopra leads a very hectic lifestyle. She's traveling all the time, so she uses a lot of deep hydrating conditioners and serums that she carries with herself and applies it whenever she's on the go. She also uses this mask which includes yogurt and a little bit of lime. Now yogurt is very good in hydrating your scalp and hair and adds a brilliant shine to your hair. Lime actually exfoliates your scalp a little bit, so in case you have dandruff or slight bit of flakiness, it really levels out the pH level of your scalp and cleanses your scalp really well. So now using the brush, take the paste and apply it on your scalp section by section. Make sure that you're covering all of the areas and just apply this in the same way all over your head. Keep this in for about 1 to 2 hours and shampoo off normally. The next one is Aishwarya Rai. Now Aishwarya Rai does indulge in a lot of hair treatments and hair spas in the salon, but apart from that she also massages her scalp with castor oil and olive oil every alternate night, so that her hair remains really soft, strong and healthy. So for this you need castor oil and olive oil. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then take 1 tablespoon of castor oil and just mix both of them well. Keep the oil in hot water like this so that it's warm through the application and works better. So the last one is Kareena Kapoor. Now Kareena Kapoor's hair slightly falls flat on the top, so she likes to blow dry it and add a lot of volume, especially around the top after she has washed it. And at home she uses a mixture of your regular oils, which is the almond, coconut, castor and olive oil. She mixes all of these 4 oils, heats it up and massages her scalp 4 times a month. So for this you need 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Mix 1 teaspoon of pure almond oil, 1 teaspoon of pure olive oil and 1 teaspoon of pure coconut oil.
Mix all of this together really well. You can use this oil as many times as you like through the week.
So guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below which is the tip that you are actually going to use. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell so you're up to date every time I release a new video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!